I'm Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Suspension, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. All right, guys, I am excited today to talk about the launch of our new Softail Mono Shock. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for it, and we've been working so hard to try to get this thing to market, and now it's finally coming to fruition. So, for all of you guys and gals that are going to Sturgis this year, 2025, we are going to have this shock available for install at the rally. So we're set up on Performance Row, Black Hills Harley Davidson, free installs on this shock. So this is our dual adjustable model. We have 3 different spring rates available for this. We have our standard and then a heavy and a light spring. It's our dual adjustable, so we have the classic 80 points of adjustment down here on the bottom. Our remote reservoir shock has got a lot of cool features that I can talk about in a different video when I actually have it in front of me. Moving forward, we are going to have the springs black, but in lieu of getting it to you guys and getting it to market and having it ready for Sturgis, we have the blue spring on here right now, but moving forward that will change. But I don't know, you kind of can't see it tucked up in there, so it's fine. We have our heim joints top and bottom. These are dyno tested and tuned. So this is going to be a great upgrade for your Softail. We're going to have it available in 12.5 and 13.5 lengths for you. But this is going to be a major upgrade for you Softail guys. So again, we're launching it at Sturgis 2025. Black Hills Harley Davidson on Performance Row, and we're excited to get these bolted on some bikes and get some feedback from you guys. So, Nowaskey Suspension, Softail Mono Shock.